officer for the NDC. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning, Nakokwa.
Bibi aboko de.
O ade achi de. Ye beka se nyame aya de.
Yeda okropon asepa. Petition ya ekoye na mampani adesmisi say party fo ni bi wase a omu fin se mampani ne eye NDC amanyuku no ani ni yi sanse enkomo de omunya ya abatro commission de odi aye NDC ntino nkese o pamono. That has been on social media, a lot of them omo Francis adi ya lawyer Abass Nurudeen we am ready for then I will catch you on Crawford then send a woman
You matter what say Nhyira fan e din kan ma men country NDC for so be anya abotre na amamuo no sabia son sabia nyado ye de nyansa ene abotre ene enhunumu ene buman ena wa amamuo mu anase wo kabima ne kabimu no enye brebia na ye wo hwehwe no onsabe dey ebeka nti bia enye dey enya abotre na oche petitioner o mampanyina dismiss edi atia yi ene special prosecutor one year de call no omu gina article aye 146 so ene de call ye na sa article no e ma o man ba bia tumi say so free say Chief Justice Electoral Commissioner na so obi anya na adwuma yi a e wo say o de trata e koma o mampanyini say yenye nhwehwemu na yenyi na se akonya na eya mpempi no ya na ejina enema miensa papem miensa so nipa no nim na adwuma incompetence and as stated misbehavior wa ya ade bia o de atiatia emrane so and as infirmity of the mind or body na adwene mu and as wanya yade bi wa na adwene mu a ama wotumi ni dwuma sane ese ejimpanifo ide sakrata yi e dai ekoi na constitution nso ehye o mampanyini se so nya krata edu sa omo akire emfa nkoma chief justice na chief justice na pamfo enya nhwehwemu na omo hwe se asemu a ye de aba na ni ani mpo no bibi wo mu a esese ye koso eye ho hwehwemu a se bibia ni mu sa de a na ne esese ye botugu in the decision of mampanyini eteki ye no enyo no a ena de ne pe ye de Ghana ya mamra no hye no se wonye no ena oyeye ena chief justice nso de Abass bibia ni nti de mampanyini ye no eye constitution no no de aye dey aye adwuma ye mesra busa menu man this for ne say na mo hwehwe se enko mampanyini bebu constitution ne so ana because constitution nso no ubusu a asudie wo ho se wo ye mampanyini kura no a wetumi yi wase akonya ya me as NDC me de me fi se madam Jemensa ene bossman Asare ene Freeman Pepe ne sankofo no omuni madwuma o he abato ekoto ne 2020 besin ne yenim results I did declare Kufuado president a we mistakes more than 7 times o share a year sao you disenfranchise a whole constituency for more than 4 years. Ohe nansen ya ba ye koto ye akwatia ene kwandai yisi gazette results ba ko 24th no ta ko gazette ba ko 6 January because of this error we ema ye crowd nkofo bi out say o ma ba out of time enom ni ade na dey say yisi no clearly no o mu hu adwuma ne so na yisi enya na adwuma yi a etimi de basabasa yo ye dey eba o man mu nti na obi afi say ma me ne de kia ne kin e wo so okọ batampanimfo kwatena ase no omo so omo ye hwehwemu no bibia ni mu a ye gitum say ejaye mpanimfo ene omo na oman ne de mra no aye dey ase omo nsa na ye de yesusu se we no ebe ma electoral commission no asset up ebe ma electoral commission no atoto ne niam yie ene ebe ya the functions as he si no betimi aye ni ye na nkofa basabasa yo bia anya dey ama ukonkro bebre so a because of electoral commission onye na adwuma yie nti no basabasa yo ne ntokwa no ni ade aye dey ama nipa ahwere wo monkwa yem pese enu bi be sinu nti no na ye se yisi anya dey enya na adwuma yie wa so hwe ekwan a MPP fa so yi Charlotte say a it was a mere procurement breaches and someone na ye wo editia eye ye maame dimension e do e jan de yin Charlotte say but the chief justice say wo hwe mu no wan hu hwe a ye gitum as party a ye je omai democracy ne kabi maame kabi ntumri ye gitum na you feel say moving forward no e be boa my electoral commission no as it up and this media enye de enka na koma nto ne yam in a democracy say na meka yen no enye de bia na wo be win mumu bi na mo pese chief justice say dey eko na bi nso pese obeko ba wo koy enti na wo pese yi si ko na wa nkwa a hunu say na meka yen no enye de bia na decision bi be ko so be dey e be free vow enti yenyi ntum na yenko yanim yentoto ye niam yie sane ye be ya election bia no ye be win on our own merit na enko kato ne bro electoral commission ebetin aye dey aye ya bro
ma minister we wa appointment anya bia utu ye scan ye de ma lawyer Abass Nurudeen lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Maybe some question be me say what appointment ya nye bia utu sika na wonsa kan.
About all there be that.
Ene maame Anita Desoso the allegations be Abass NDC appointments at John Dramani Mahama eye no. Amanfo a ode a show monsa se omonye no a lot of people are one mo eba mountain kire se ye gi omu sika na ya ma omu appointment. How true is this?
Oh, sir. Abrewa ode ne kraman no na betumi yi ne ketre maso aboa enye sa ya ma ni Anita Desoso a woka asem no onu a na betumi de ho abanse aye dey aba ezime de ni hu asem ya ka but I think say as a political party baby I abedro no we must guard against some of those unnecessary or chances are ebema opposition no enya bibia so madi akon ati aye enti ye maami Anita Desoso person o kire say obi ti say samejamfi
lawyer
sani e man appointment ana
lawyer sir repeat lawyer
national youth organization
lawyer otemenga
kan sani e me te onka pa
me say o kan samejamfi na te ko we didn't hear the o kan fa na nti sir repeat
ye maami Anita Desoso person o kire say obi ti say samejamfi ya jenisika ansa na yema national communication officer no ya jenisika ansa na yema appointment ana obi ti say national youth organizer eye opariado ya jenisika ansa na yema appointment ana obi ti say person ya minority leader ya jenisika ansa na yema appointment ana obi ti say come ya goja minority chief whip ya jenisika ansa na yema appointment ana na sika no say na je no na hwan na je say sika no I think say ye ma minimum penifo ma di party wo yanimu a emre bia so o makotena fie no mo mfa o mokaka emese yi twanam ye ba ye nyame adom ye wura mahama wadi anim atoto niema ama 1 year ko 2 years mi ye nya major scandal bia enti opposition no ayesa wabo bia ni so mantase a che no ohun people akra no afa asem bia ebe enya asem bia na o maso mu pese o mode retake aban no yesra ya maami Anita Desoso o mo mpanyimfo no they should not be the source of some of these things ebe ba be kun ede atia aban no asem no a wo kan no de be chire mu mfa adanse mmade a ene wo se ye nyina ye bo asem ne tugu se e ya asem a eni nyina so e ya asem a ababi animu a ye de ye adwuma eni
Unyi ni se ono nso no se de memfa ne se pick ofusun cancer to show evidence of that allegation. Ehun hia se mpanifo timi frɛ no na wo mo investigations found.
and only the power to arrest or not arrest, you know, in him some a year IGP and then penny for some. And will be back on someone be Portopia and panic. And I said that also false alarm. Say it me friend where you should me. It means will be the IGP and who kind. There was so one to see him so move so more friend on a year. I'm friend on us some no on farm dance to the because it borders on bribery.
Yeah.
Say Obiko Jessica Ediaji to me, and I'll show you a criminal code. Nimunswa. Bribery is a crime. It is a war alleged bribery. Yeah. I was so there one dance to be but no more yes, I know. You to me a so bopechi. Na asutu be a wo bi aye dem out.
Right. Emi se koko fo na ni agesese sanse skeka mu no aban de sika Abass wo mo emfe entua. How is it going?
Oh, and I'm buying the cigar bomb. I shall say, you're going each year. Baby, I will say, I'm a yet baby, I'm near war and nano. Over from November, bar, Mexican ma, and the infant and Tukuku. But ne, I buy the cigar, so it's an improvement. But maybe the American cook, you have one say, or how are Yakomuka Crano? How I yes, a Sebi, what fascinating chrono. So you and Nisa Umia, what fasten and my better. But I would Yakukudron Sumia, or what fasten Ukuni be one when you are near to me and Nante. It's no man penny Mahaman and it's more than it. And no man penny Mahaman or Pesa Usisi Kuko Kiafo, and Nunti and Awachi Kukoso, Nemum Abassa. Over or Bar by moi. Nakoko a 3,100. Your 2 more Yasa Jamaso Kakrano, a brand of board, you know. Or the 100 Ghana cedis can home, a corner nim kakrano crano, or Saturday 500 Ghana cedis plus a day, a can home. But baby, ya be drawing. Over said ye sit to cocoa, we are saying Jama so no. A bina chemu, and or them kuno, Emma cocoa pianino, Yaka or the top fertilizer, Yaka or the Bama free Yaka or the Bayer and Yama Bebema Coco Pianin one Cataya Day, and Yam Faso. MPP Abraso 2024 February. Coco Koya could do $12,000 per pound. $12,000 no Coco 1 bag via MPP. Now your Toma Mu we are saying Gaman so 12,000 a yet it is 120 million. Send Omodema Coco Kiani or Muma Coco Kiani 3,100. 3,100 not just how much as you can do me and no more fan crow and our mapa cocoa crianinum niensa. No more fertilizer beer, no more premium. A mass spring crown and coso papa beer. Now how are you communicate car at that cocoa rose no? And people in a day above or put an aqua in a mako and a nap on any other day. Wow. Come, man, the child. Because when himself and how will be Siano. If the same city be an obey, they will be Siano. If you threat or work for say, or money and no, and yet Gan and Kwan as I do, we are day, escape. Because in Pempino, a toko or Ghana, not Ghana, the no, F4, not Cote d'Ivoire, the end board there. Yeah, there's a Ghana for one smuggle at the Cote d'Ivoire. Na yebusa ya ho say edienti na ye say cocoa airful e wo Ghana enso Ghana for one small gun Cote d'Ivoire na ta say esi wo Ghana ha no ebia na esi wo Cote d'Ivoire enti ye betre cocoa afiafo say omo enya abotre.
All right.
Na enkwa afia enkwa ni fie mmenu so no enema be dey ebe ye.
Okay.
Owura cocoa fumu de o ma ye omo ho sabia no ma cocoa ne kone omo na akwa chifi akohunu nsuo na omo se ba na afo abebusa o hawa akokwa akuafo komu nne no eye wo mo MPP fo na de koko akuafo aye de akom na NDC na yetira anye ye ene abepie so ba ye mpofu ye tikura o hawo ne be de ye besi ano emreti awo yi ye kire koko akuafo se omo nya ye ho abotre na omo ngi ye wura mahama amamuo no nya de entum ene ne nhyehyeye sane ye be ya koko adwuma no betena ho da na enkodru ba bia be se agu.
Okay. Lawyer Abass Nurudeen, you better say no pay.
so me da se pa akokwa nya me nhyira na e ka analysis ba ko bi minim so obetumi ama me 2 minutes ya ma me dia ya ka mani beje pa.
Okay, wrap up mami.
O se koko bo no a enne ye se ya cheso kra no. About 2,580.
Yeah.
MPP time na ye 3,100. And that cement bag bako ye 120 Ghana cedis. And do to cocoa bag bako 3,100 and the MPP. Now to me top 25 bags. And next cement 80 Ghana cedis. And do to cocoa bag bako 2,508. Put me top 32 bags. Sika enye sika no dodo na ekuta we sika ni mudro ne ramahama economy no a watimi ahwe so yie ni ntino ama sika ni no kra kakra etimi so nyama bebre uye koko kriani na opese uto petrol and kufuado petrol koya November 2022 diesel koya kodu 106 Ghana na ukura koko bag ba ko a utimi to diesel 29 gallons and na diesel less than 60 Ghana cedis. Uton cocoa 2,580 noa. Utimi to more than 42 gallons. Enti ma yen hwe sika no kese keke yen hwe die sika no timi yedai.
Right.
Na because they Ramahama manage economy ni yen sika no kura kakra bi kura no a. Etimi ye ade bebre.
Okay.
This is not a justification for cocoa no ayate so no. But it is another argument segment of the
okay.
Of our.
All right. Ahumani mu enye papa. Mse baby a wugina no so ka ho. Enti ye beda asia no pe lawyer Abass Nurudeen. Thank you very much. Nhyira 104.5. We ye kro yi mu nsem na ogusu a otie no. Kaisa Resona eno ene